Mjolo will humble you by Ntendeni Rubengo. Episode 8. Mjolo did humble him. He sends a message. I'm here, where are you? I see the message. He can see the double ticks. He can see I read it. I can't do this. I can't meet him. Bazalwane, let's go back. I remain behind the pot plant. I remain hiding. He sends dozens of messages and tries to call 1,000,000 times. I'm still watching behind the pot plant. Mara, all of a sudden, this time, I'm watching in satisfaction at the clear sight of his desperation. He is asking around if anyone saw me, the waiters, passers-by, other customers, LOL. An hour passes. I'm still hiding behind the pot plant. 1,000,000 messages, 1,000,000 calls. He gets up, he sits down. He gets up, he sits down. He gets up, he sits down. Up, down, up, down. He drinks water. He asks around. Gets up, sits down. Up, down, asks around. Messages, calls, up, down. Drinking a dozen water glasses as he loses his cool. Why, Mara? Eish. Watching him desperate, anxious, confused, and frustrated is giving me so much satisfaction. Why, Mara? 1,000,000 more messages and missed calls. Come on, Hayani. Been here for an hour. Where are you? I'm watching him panic, vexed and going schizophrenic right before my eyes. The satisfaction. Why, Mara? I feel like a child who has just been given a new toy. Bazalwane, I didn't know I had this darkness in me. I could watch him in satisfaction as he bleeds to death and dies. I could watch him sawn in half and get so much satisfaction. Wow! 1 dozen more calls, more glasses of water, more messages. And he gives up. He sends me another message. He can see I read it. Okay, I was here for an hour and 30 minutes. The message reads, and I don't know if something is wrong with your phone or what, Hayani. Please get back to me as soon as you can. I tried. I've been waiting for an hour and 30 minutes, Mosi. I called and messaged 1,000,000 times. I can see that you read them, but I can't get hold of you. Are you okay, Hayani? What's going on? Are you okay? Are you fine? Are you safe? What's going on, Hayani? I don't know what's wrong and why. I don't know if you lost your phone or somebody has it. I don't know if you missed the address. I don't know, Hayani. I've been waiting. I need to go now. Please call me as soon as you get this message. I don't know what to do. I see him drink one last glass of water, look around, wander around for a while, call, text, call, text, call, text, looks around, asks around, go around, again and again, until he gives up. Jesus, the satisfaction of watching the grand Thikho Mphephu suffer while I was in control. Man, is it amazing to see him humbled while I'm in charge. As soon as he leaves, I go and sit right where he was sitting and enjoy my favorite chicken in Thoyanto. Looking hot, looking great, getting compliments from everybody who passes by. Happy that I conquered somebody. Happy that I conquered this game. I grin. I am the villain here, bitches. I run this town, witches. I am the only person in the whole wide, wild world that can leave Thikho Mphephu, yes, the grand Thikho Mphephu, hopeless, helpless, panicking, shaking, annoyed, and humbled. I'm petty, I didn't know I had this in me. So much darkness in me. Hey. I'm on top of the game now. I run this town. I'm in control. I'm in charge here, bitches. Mjolo did humble him.